A tool very useful for school is NotebookLM from Google. Is a tool with a free account if you have a Google account, or there is also a pro version with, for example, the Workspace account, the paid one. As you can see here, we have at the website notebooklm.google.com. We can create a new notebook. And the first thing I need to do is to upload some sources. I can upload up to 50 sources. I can connect my drive. I can link Google, YouTube videos, websites, or copy text, or I can upload directly from my computer. For example, I have some slides here. I search for AI. Okay. For example, I have this presentation. I can insert this one. After this, I can create some content. He starts by himself creating a brief overview of the content. I can create a note from this, so I can write down my own note if I want, or I can create an audio overview. So I can create audio in different languages. It's like a podcast generated from two voices that and those voices will talk about the content of my presentation, but could be more than this because I can add more content. So for example, I can search on YouTube something about AI. This one, I can bring the link.
I'm going to take a picture of.
I get inside NotebookLM. So I can create a very big notebook about a lot of sources, different one. I can also discover new sources. For example, I am interested in AI topic and how to use tools in class. Let's submit. Is looking for sources on the web. I can put inside every single source is founded. And now, for example, I can start typing with my sources what AI is. So it's like a chat, and it will give me a text. Every single part of the text is related to a source. As you can see here, now is looking inside the presentation. But here we have some text. Here I have the ability to save this as a note. So I can have the text. It could be also at the same time the source. But if I want, I can create my study guide. Is creating a note useful for studying. I can create, let's see, it's generating already, is able to create a fact. Here is my comprehensive study guide. As you can see, we have the text. I can copy the text, whatever I want. I can create a briefing doc and also a timeline. I can also create a new text if I want, a new title. This is some fact about the sources. This is a briefing. And this is the timeline. Okay, so I can create my own note. I can convert all the notes to a source. And then here I have also the audio.
We're here to cut through the noise
and I can interact with the audio. So I can learn from the audio, I can hear the audio, and then when I want, I can join the discussion.
Oh, hey, our listener wants to join in. What's up?
Okay, and I can interact with the source. Could you explain me better how AI works?
Oh, that's a fantastic question, and we're so glad you jumped in.
And then it will respond to me with the audio.
Absolutely.
At the same time, we have the ability to download as an audio source and use for prepare a lesson, to use in class, to give to the students as a homework, whatever I want. Here, I have also another possibility because I can create a mind map. It's not as useful as we think because it's very gigantic mind map, but could be useful as a start. It's also interactive, so I can connect each single node with a part of my sources. As you can see here, we can interact with the map, give it some questions, and it will be able to give me answers. We can discuss with each single topic inside the map. And also we have the ability to see the map in a more useful way. We can get inside each single part, so could be very, very useful. At the same time, we have also the ability to share with others my notebook. So, for example, you can create a very big notebook with every single sources that you need and share with your students. Or they can do by themselves, so they can create a notebook related to a topic and then share with the teacher. So we have the ability to have an interactive and very accurate content creation machine, but at the same time, some tools that are useful for preparing the lesson, for getting material ready, and also for prepare an exam, for example.